Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics, Mr. Simons. Today's whole number lesson for grade 8 and 9. We're dividing a value given into a specific ratio given. Right, so this process we need to know for maths as well as accounting. Those of you planning to do accounting in the future, we're going to work with ratios there to work out profit, etc. Right, so number 1, divide 350 in the ratio 2:5. So once the word says divide a value in a ratio, we're first going to add the ratio values. So 2 plus 5 gives me 7. So together, those two people there makes a ratio of 7. So now when I divide, I'm going to say 350 times the 2 over the 7, and 350 times the 5 over the 7. 350 times 2 gives me 700, divided by 7 gives me 100. 350 times 5 divided by 7 then gives me 250. And I add these two values, 100 plus 250, it must still give me the 350 I started with. Number 2, divide 1350 in the ratio 2:7. So again, because I'm dividing, I first add the ratios. So 2 plus 7 would then give me 9. So I have 1350 times 2 over 9. 1350 times 7 over 9. You can see there. So 1350 times 2, which gives me 2007, divided by 9 gives me 300. 1350 times 7 divided by 9 gives me 1050. When I add these two values, I can check if I'm right or wrong. It must still give me 1350. Alright, let's look at more complex ones. So now we say divide 1,485 Rand in the ratio 9:11:13. So again, because the word divide is there, I'm going to add the ratio value. So I have 9 plus 11 plus 13, which gives me 33. So 9 plus 11 is 20, plus 13 is 33. Now I'm going to say 1485 times 9 divided by 33. 1485 times 11 divided by 33. 1485 times 13 divided by 33. So 1485 times 9 over 33 gives me 405. 1485 times 11 over 33 gives me 495. And 1485 times 13 over 3 gives me 585. If I say 585 plus 495 plus 405, it must still give me 1485. Now number 4, divide 5,600 in the ratio 3:4:5. Again, because I'm dividing, I add the ratio value. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, that gives me 7 plus 5, which is 12. So it's going to become 5,006 times 3 over 12. 5,006 times 4 over 12. 5,600 times 5 over 12. So 5,006 times 3 over 12 gives me 1,400. 5,600 times 4 divided by 12 gives me 1,866,6666, which rounds off to 67 cents. And then 5,600 times 5 over 12 gives me 2,333,33 cents. If I add the three values, I must get 5,600. Right, so I hope this clarifies and you understand how to divide values in a ratio. As I said, we're going to do funny things like asset test ratios, etc. in accounting. Grade 10, 11, and 12. We're also going to use ratio shares, basically how a company has broken up its shares and who must get what profit, etc. So make sure you understand this. Wish you nothing but the best. God bless. Bye.